Kilo fait en mode chocolat, fine, fine, oh, baguette, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chocolate.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I'm not feeling too well, but I still have to eat to get better. So for lunch, I'm making a spinach salad and I'm going to add sardines to it. So in a bowl, I'm going to add my washed spinach. So I'm trying a new sardine. It's sardine with peppers and vegetable oil, which has a lot of protein and healthy oil. What it looks like, I'm going to leave it in whole pieces for presentation, but before I eat it, I will open it and take the bones out. Guys, I'm not going to use this oil, but this is what it looks like. And these look like, I don't know, jalapeno peppers. But I have peppers, some sweet peppers here that I'm going to add to it. Okay, so I add my peppers. Now I'm going to sprinkle with some lemon pepper. Next, I'm going to sprinkle with some crushed red pepper flakes. And next, I'm going to add some olive oil. And that's it, guys. My healthy lunch. Gotta force myself to eat. Hope you guys will try this. And if you do, let me know. Thank you guys for your love and your support. I'm almost at 6,000 subscribers. Big up in the South. Until next time. One love.